Hi, this is Adam Hayning here from Floor Masters, and I just wanted to explain what our stitching crack repair system is. So here we've got a crack that runs through this garage. There's quite a bit of cracking. I've already done quite a bit of repair out this side, but I just wanted to outline what it is we do. And yeah, so all this side just needs to be tidied up. It's already had the resin, the stitching done, and yeah, it just needs to be ground over the top, and then we can carry on with the system we're doing on this garage floor. So these are the staples we use. They're a 5mm diameter piece of steel that's been bent into the shape of a staple. And what we do is we put a cut across the crack. So we run along the crack to cut all the loose material out, give us clean concrete for the product to be able to soak into. The great thing about the fast fix product we use, not only is it fast cure, but it's very thin. It's able to get a lot deeper into the crack than epoxy resins and other repair systems. And it also soaks into both sides of the concrete. But what we've done here is we put a cut across, and we've inserted one of these staples. We've drilled 2 holes down at the end of the rod, you can see there, and it's been inserted into that, and then the resin gets applied. And it locks it all together. So it acts as a little bit more reinforcing. The repair product we use is really good, but the rods just give it extra strength. So we never guarantee crack repairs. There's always a chance that it can re-crack. Quite often what will happen is if we've done a repair, the repair can actually be stronger than the concrete around it, and sometimes you can get a crack that will come up adjacent to it. Because if you think about it, the concrete's around about 100 to 150 mil thick, depending on how it's been laid, and that crack goes all the way through. The fast fix, being a really thin product, will get quite deep into that. We reckon on average probably around about 30 to 40 millimeters, but you've still got the rest of that slab that's got the crack, and if there's excessive force put back on it, that weakness will act as a starter, and then we'll find the weakest point around that to come back through again. So we're not saying that you'll never have a crack repair, a crack again, but it certainly makes the slab stronger, and we reckon we get about 80% of cracks never come back again. So it just really depends on what's happening with the substrate and what's happening underneath the concrete itself. So yeah, this is our stitch repair, and for major cracks we do this.